Hello my friends, it has been quite a while since the last update. I think almost a month has passed after the crash in MIMC, and here's an update video. So my car is looking in a pretty good shape now. We have got the frame rail pulled back out. So this is the wheel housing. Looks a bit flaky because it was previously really crushed in, so everything was pulled back, welded back. This is the frame rail that was bent. Now it is somewhat straight, and this will allow radiator frame support to be installed. And of course we got the nose cut installed, so now it has a nose. Fender has been installed, and then we got a hood. The hood not painted yet. Pretty decent. It's quite an amazing job. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but it's quite amazing how they managed to pull all this crushed metal back out, including this support bracket for the airbox has been at least restored. It was like previously, I think it's totally gone. And then in the process of removing the airbox, the throttle body actually has coolant, and there's a thermostat that when in certain situations where the throttle body may be too cold, they will flow the water through the airbox and into the throttle body. And that thermostat broke, and before I took this video I had to remove and bypass those hoses, so I removed some of the hoses. Next gonna be the control arm. We haven't sorted out any problems with the suspension yet. Hopefully next week we'll sort out the control arm, the tie rod that is bent. We'll sort out any suspension problem. Then I think the car will be ready for spray painting and the final touches. And hopefully this car will be back. Petrol is now cheaper, right? I can't wait to be revving this car again. And since I'm at the back of the car, I'll show you how messy it is. Look at all the parts. We have some old parts, we have some broken parts. This is my malformed radiator. Here the impact was here. Then you look at my condenser. Condenser was crushed. The entire thing isn't straight anymore. Look at how bent it is. Here I think all this can be disposed soon. But I'll take out my car battery because I think it has not been charged for a month. I don't want to end up with a dead battery upon after all this terrible incident. Still want to at least salvage my battery. So one thing I would definitely miss is that last time I have an M-Tech bumper, and my nose cut comes with this standard bumpers. It's not really standard actually, it's not your regular E36 bumper. I think they call it the SE bumper. And the weird thing is that the fender here doesn't match up. It's like half a cm shorter. While you think that maybe this because I have collision on this side, right? It's the same on the other side as well. No idea about this. But it really looks very very classical. It's not sporty at all with this looks here. I think an M3 bumper is very expensive. It's quite rare nowadays. If anyone has sourced to cheaper M3 bumpers, doesn't matter if it's original or imitation, just let me know, okay? Because this grill here is really very classic, too classic for my taste. Okay, if you want to have to see more updates about my car, my E36, do subscribe to my videos, and I thank you very much for the support. Bye bye.
Yeah, boss. Yeah, you ask yourself. You accept master lah. Okay, okay, right. Okay.
干什么？你没看到我看我。